Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very exciting because I'm going to create this festival makeup tutorial. The first thing I'm gonna do is use my Clinique Moisture Surge, and I absolutely love this cream. Now taking this Smashbox Photo Finish primer and applying it all over my nose, chin and my chin area. Now taking this Rare Beauty lipstick, and I'm gonna be applying this because it has that moussey texture which I really like. Also taking my Elegant Pro concealer, and I'm going to cover my dark circles and my pigmentation. Also using MAC palette for that. Now taking a damp beauty blender and blending it in to my skin. Now I'm taking this Nars Luminous foundation, and I'm gonna be taking 3 pumps for that. Also using a beauty blender to blend it onto my skin, and it's a very lightweight full coverage foundation, and it gives the dewiness to the skin, and I just love this foundation. Using the rest of the product on my forehead and blending it in. I'm taking this e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to brighten the areas where I think I need brightening. And this is a full coverage concealer. You can totally compare this concealer to the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. It's not about the foundation, it's not about the concealer. I have dryness around this area which is making it really hard for me to blend anything. Also, no foundation, no matter which foundation I use, it's accumulating from this area. So it's not the fault of Nars foundation, it's because my skin is very dry. Blend the contour thing because I forgot to blend that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my face using translucent powder from Laura Mercier. I'm taking this Laura Mercier translucent powder in Glow. It's original. Original as in Laura Mercier has recently launched their tinted powder, but the old one is translucent. I'm going to share some clips of that because it's very confusing to say it's original using the loose products where we finally melt. So I'm really liking this Inside Cosmetics Flawless Finish Powder for banana powder. I'm just going to dust off the loose powder with the help of this. This skin is looking so big. I completely forgot to use this powder from Charlotte Tilbury. For eyes, I'm going to use this palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It's their instant look of love in a palette, glowing beauty. What? Okay, that's a weird name. to say anything, guys. Interact. And I'm going to apply this on my brow bone. Using this K-Beauty kajal and applying it on my lower line and curling my lashes, applying some Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit. Also, I have applied lashes. Now I'm gonna take this dark shade, and I'm gonna be applying it on my lower line for that cohesive look. Now using the same bronze Rimmel pencil and applying it on my lower waterline. Applying some bronzer from the same palette. Using the whole spray bottle, now I'm going to dry this using a fan, and now I'm taking my Clinique mascara and I'm going to be applying it on my lower lash line. Now it's time for highlighter. For that, I'm going to take the highlighting shade and I'm going to apply it on my high points of my cheeks and brow bone. I'm just loving my makeup here. You can see it's looking so dewy. Now using MAC lipstick in the shade Meher, and I have also mixed it with Whirl. And now I'm applying the lip gloss from Too Faced, and that is it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up. Bye.